And hari ini kita bakal ada Christmas party. Kita bakal ada worship time as always. Tapi kita hari ini bakal ada silent disco. Terus abis itu bisa minum hot chocolate sama kita bisa ambil cookies segala macam. Good kids, good students.
Rainbow. Wait, I'm trying to figure out who.
Why is she recording? What's this guy talk?
I'm vlogging.
What are you vlogging about?
Life.
Life?
Are we moving these to the side? Oh.
No, people are coming and moving them.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, wow.
Showtime!
Does he get one now? No, that explains it.
You used to share?
Guys, but that was when I was like,
Want to help?
Yeah.
I got it. I was an element.
Thank you. See ya. Don't drop that. They're setting up the Christmas trees. Hot cocoa. That's so cute.
Oh my god.
I'm drinking hot cocoa, eating this cookie. Wait, we're gonna go to this after this. Hi guys.
Okay, I don't look bad.
It's Friday. It's like
I wish I say so bus. This is really bus.
so. This is what we're listening to. Wait, can you guys hear it? I don't know if you guys can hear it. I don't hear it.
I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. Wait, move your right on. Making me feel like maybe I am somebody. When I'm with my baby, yeah.
This is Lyrics National Anthem. Where's Lyrics? Slide to the left, slide to the right, crisscross.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody clap your hands.
There is just one thing I need. I don't care.